Alright, here we got it. We got the Acer 27-inch Nitro XV2 version series gaming monitor. As you can see, WQHD, 300 hertz. We just got this bad boy at Amazon. I don't want to accidentally get my address in there. Have people popping up like, hey man, can I pop in your pool? Not happening. So hopefully I skipped that. This is the round of the box. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. You don't know bills until you have that many out the way. All right, so let's see what's in the box. All right, we're returning. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy off of there. Hopefully I didn't get my address. If I did, editor, you can go ahead and knock that out for me. Thank you. All right, nothing's in there. Move it to the side. All right, let's see what we got in this styrofoam. I haven't seen anybody review this particular model, so I may be the first and only one. Of course, you got your books, your manuals, everything like that to avoid dangerous suffocation and all that other bad boys. I don't care nothing about that. Put it to the side. Unless you're a child, then you should read it, or a parent should read it for you. What does that symbol remind you of? Anybody in occult or esoteric knowledge, let me know. Comment section below. But I'll just say, for the kids and everybody out there, look kind of like a little house in the middle, with a mailbox in the middle of that. My first impression is this is such a wonderful, look at the bezel. Wow, that is beautiful. Very thin. Okay, you have a display port here and two HDMIs. I don't know what type they are. It says just 1 and 2. But I got it on its back. So we got this bad boy unboxed. I'm gonna take it to the room, put it in my gym that I'm building, by the way. So after I'm done with that, we're gonna see what it's looking like, and then I'll tell you more details. All right, I am here. Got little manuals and everything like that. I was seeing if I could see the specs on here. I'm gonna check them out and probably later on let you guys know. Specs or anything about those items, let me know in the comment section below. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move all this out the way. I could probably prop this little stand here up. We're gonna remove it and I'll be back. And we're gonna see how this monitor tricking. I got a 16 gig display port connected to this. So I'm gonna swap it out of here and upgrade. All right, shout out to Matt, INOS. Yo man, he's in Pennsylvania. If you guys wanna know and need somebody to make you amazing PC, look no further to INOS Systems, man. Okay, put this here. It really is that, and I'll let you guys know if you guys want to know a review. I'm a Call of Duty streamer, BigJayTV on Twitch and Instagram, as well as X, formerly known as Twitter. here, of course, for the BenQ over there. I'm gonna probably move that monitor, probably won't need it. There you go, nice 16 gig display port, 2.1 display port. I'm gonna look up the specs. 8K 60 hertz HDMI cable. I don't know what type of cable it is. I don't know if it's 2.0, ultra high speed. But there you go. I researched all over, couldn't find YouTube videos or anything, so that's why I'm doing this. Usually I wouldn't, however, I'm gonna do it this time around. The top button, boom, it powers right on. Oh, by the way, it's AMD FreeSync Premium. You have regular FreeSync, then you have Premium, then you have Premium Plus. This one is the middle one, so it's really fast. This actually powered up quicker than I thought. And to be honest, straight out of the box, it doesn't look like an IPS display to me. It looks like a VA display. Let's see, I can actually move it around. We're gonna see how many hertz it's displaying. And yeah, we're gonna get them up and running. Hopefully I can push this bad boy, because I have a very nice display port in here. Hopefully I can push it to 300 hertz. Well, this is moving pretty nicely. I like this. It's moving really smooth. Let's go to the display here. Identify. All right, this is my first monitor. So it's at 1440p. For the drum roll. Okay, do without it. It's at 60 hertz, and as you can see, it has the overdrive feature of 300 hertz. Maybe I don't have to change anything right out the box. Bang! It's actually running it. It's running 300 hertz. Wow. Yes. The 300 hertz, I didn't have to go through any extra software or my NVIDIA software to run it. Starting Call of Duty. Up, I'm getting 200 frames. That's the end of this whole little tutorial. It does work. And if you have a dual monitor setup, you may have to get that new Elgato or any other equivalent capture card. Again, I'm TVP King Nala Productions, and thank you so much for checking out this video. And as I always say, don't watch TV, watch me on BigJayTV.